The showroom is a sanctuary of luxury and modernity, its polished marble floors reflecting the subtle glow of soft ambient lighting. The design is immaculate, with sleek glass walls framing the space, offering a panoramic view of the vibrant cityscape outside. Everything about the interior exudes sophistication and elegance, a perfect blend of contemporary aesthetics and meticulous attention to detail. It is a space designed to captivate, inspire, and leave a lasting impression on anyone who enters. At the heart of this opulent showroom stands the Yamaha MT-15V2, a masterpiece of engineering and design that commands attention with its bold presence. Positioned strategically in the center, the motorcycle is the undeniable focal point of the space. Its aggressive stance, coupled with its sleek and dynamic lines, speaks volumes about its character, a harmonious fusion of power and style. The signature color scheme enhances its striking appearance, making it a sight to behold under the carefully curated lighting that casts subtle highlights and shadows across its body. The closer one gets to the Yamaha MT-15V2, the more its intricate details come to life. The front fascia is sharp and futuristic, with an aerodynamic design that conveys speed even while standing still. The muscular fuel tank, sculpted to perfection, adds to its commanding presence, while the subtle branding hints at the legacy and craftsmanship that Yamaha brings to the table. The exposed engine components, crafted with precision, reflect the raw power and performance hidden beneath the bike's sleek exterior. The dual-tone finish, complemented by high-quality materials, gives it a premium look that resonates with the sophistication of its surroundings. The lighting in the showroom is more than just functional, it is an art form in itself. Carefully positioned spotlights illuminate the MT-15V2, drawing attention to its most defining features. The interplay of light and shadow accentuates the sharp contours of the motorcycle, highlighting the seamless integration of form and function. The soft, ambient glow in the background creates a sense of depth, making the bike appear even more striking as it takes center stage. The lighting, much like the bike, is a testament to the importance of detail and precision. Behind the Yamaha MT-15V2, the wall is a canvas of modern design. The name, Yamaha MT-15V2, is displayed prominently in bold, futuristic typography. The letters are crafted to perfection, their edges clean and sharp, and their illumination subtle yet impactful. This feature adds to the grandeur of the showroom, reinforcing the identity of the machine as not just a motorcycle but a symbol of innovation, performance, and luxury. The placement of the text is deliberate, ensuring it remains an integral part of the visual narrative while not detracting from the bike's magnificence. As the showroom's atmosphere envelops the viewer, the attention to detail becomes increasingly apparent. The floors, polished to a mirror-like finish, create a seamless reflection of the MT-15V2, doubling its visual impact. The glass walls provide a sense of openness, connecting the interior to the bustling energy of the city while maintaining an air of exclusivity. The absence of clutter or unnecessary elements ensures that the focus remains entirely on the motorcycle, emphasizing its status as a masterpiece meant to be admired and desired. The Yamaha MT-15V2 itself is more than just a machine, it is a statement of purpose and passion. Every component, from the lightweight frame to the advanced suspension system, has been designed with the rider in mind. The bike embodies the spirit of adventure and freedom, a promise of exhilarating journeys and unforgettable experiences. Its sporty ergonomics, coupled with cutting-edge technology, make it a perfect choice for those who seek both performance and style. The aggressive headlamp design, the compact yet powerful exhaust, and the finely tuned engine are all reminders of the engineering excellence that defines Yamaha. The showroom's ambiance complements the motorcycle perfectly. Subtle background music plays, its rhythm aligning with the energy and dynamism of the MT-15V2. The air is filled with a sense of anticipation, as if the bike is waiting to unleash its full potential. The carefully curated environment transforms the simple act of viewing a motorcycle into an experience, a journey through design, performance, and aspiration. As one walks around the Yamaha MT-15V2, the interplay of light and angles reveals new facets of its design. From the rear, the sharp tail section and the integrated LED lights create a striking visual that is both functional and stylish. The bike's stance, low yet aggressive, suggests a readiness to leap into action, a quality that resonates with the thrill seeker in every rider. The attention to detail is evident in every element, from the precision-machined alloy wheels to the finely stitched seat that offers both comfort and grip. The display of the MT-15V2 in such a luxurious setting elevates its appeal, turning it into more than just a vehicle. It becomes a symbol of aspiration, a representation of the freedom and excitement that come with riding. The juxtaposition of the bike's raw, mechanical power against the refined elegance of the showroom creates a visual contrast that is both striking and memorable. It is a scene that captures the essence of modern luxury, a perfect balance of form, function, and emotion. As the experience comes to an end, the Yamaha MT-15 V2 remains etched in memory, not just as a motorcycle but as an icon of performance and design. The showroom, with its opulent interiors and carefully curated atmosphere, serves as the perfect stage for this masterpiece, amplifying its presence and leaving a lasting impression. It is a celebration of innovation and artistry, a tribute to the spirit of adventure and the pursuit of excellence. In the world of motorcycles, the Yamaha MT-15 V2 stands as a testament to what is possible when passion meets precision, and in this luxurious setting, its story is told with the grandeur it deserves.